You excited?
Very.
So today is truly like a his and hers day. Taylor is so stoked to be here, which I am too. We have lived in Orange County our entire lives, and neither of us have ever been to the Huntington Beach Airshow, which is shocking, especially shocking for him. But we are here today, and our friends have the best spot to watch the airshow from, so I'm so grateful that they were free today and invited us all over. And then later tonight, we are going to Holiday Skate because the owners of Holiday Skate are moving, and the rink was supposed to be shut down, but it's not. So more on that later, but for now, airplanes. The happiest boy in all the land. Okay, we are now on our way to the skating rink, and what I didn't explain earlier is the rink was supposed to close because the owners are moving, and I'm not really sure the complete details, but I do know that one of the skaters and one of the employees took it over so the rink could remain operating for a while the owners moved. So it's kind of the end of an era. The owners that have owned the rink almost my entire life are moving out of state, and so this will be like the last hurrah for them at the skating rink before they are no longer the owners, which is pretty wild. But I am excited to get there and see a lot of people that I haven't seen in a while. But the air show is really wild. It did get kind of rained out for a little bit, so things got pushed back. So we are running a little bit later than we thought we would be, but 30 minutes of skating is probably plenty.